See, Dirt May says, running a 604 on E100 Renegade, what plug and timing? Okay, I'm going to talk about spark plugs for just a second, because I can't get NGKs, I can't get auto lights, so the only spark plugs I can get right now are AC Delcos. So those would be my choice of the day. The rest are unobtainium right now.
Yeah, I mean, it's still a decent plug. I mean, it'll run on pretty much anything, but I think it'd be similar to the E85 stuff that we're running, which would be like the AR94 Autolite, is what I prefer. Mm-hmm. And then, as far as timing goes, like right now on E85, depending on air-fuel ratio, we're running like some stupid air-fuel ratios, but we're like around 38 degrees.
Yeah, but you don't want to adjust that. You want to adjust that on a dyno. You don't want to try.
Yeah. Don't just randomly go do that and go race. Ultimately, you need to be on an engine dyno or a chassis dyno, and just see where your peak is.
Otherwise, you could blow it up.
Generally on an ethanol fuel, because most of this stuff is so rich, you're going to be just fine around. Like I'm going to say 36 is safe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can run.
Because normally 34 is your go-to.
Well, 34 on gas.
Okay.
Is your go-to. Now we've got some of that stuff up around 38 degrees too, but you're ultimately going to be better off. Let's be a little more conservative. Not blow our shit up, since you can't find 604s right now. Yeah. So, so I would get on a dyno if you can. Like I said, engine dyno or chassis dyno. Preferably a chassis dyno, because it's got your entire setup there. Mm-hmm. And then odds are you're going to end up between 36 and 38 degrees.
Good to know.